Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. With the puzzle page. We have the puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, January the 6th, 2024. In this puzzle page, we have 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are we have 2 Sudokus with 3 stars. Here, another one. The third puzzle is a killer Sudoku. Then we have 2 binaries, 10 by 10, and the last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. I'm going to solve 4 puzzles, 4 out of 6. Not all, otherwise too much for me. And tomorrow afternoon, we have here the additional for the Sunday. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all tomorrow afternoon. Only 4 of them I will solve, and in the evening I will do the Sunday evening I will do the samurai Sudoku. Yeah. All right. Let me start with this one. Sudoku with 3 stars. Position the camera first. Any troubles with the camera? Okay. This one will be number 7748. 7748. Yeah, 7748. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. 26. Okay. Uh, 26. Usually a 3 stars puzzle. Oh, bump the camera. Apologies. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has always 25 printed digits. This one has 26. But for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes. Yeah, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If it's really 3 stars for a puzzle with 26 printed digits, should be a 2 stars for a 2 stars puzzle. 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Okay. Choo-choo. Need a 1 here. Need a 7 here. Need an 8 here. Yep. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So no row below, though, need to place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Can I do something with 8? 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Ah. Here should be the 8. There should be the 8. Okay. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 place level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Okay. Need a 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 place level 9. Could be here, could be there. We see a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. 1, 1. 4. 4 in the first column. Third column. 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left with 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row. 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left with 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this third row. No 1 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 1 should be in this big square should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in these 2 boxes here. A 1 in the middle column. No 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there, 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so the last row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so that column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, third row, no 1 there. 1 in the second row, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1. How about the 8 now? No, the 8. The 3 then. 3. 2 here. 8, 8, 8, 8. But the 9 now. 9. 9. 4. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 4. Okay. And now. Need 8. How about? Need 7 and then 7 and the 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Need a 5 here. 3 and the 6. 6 and 7. Come on. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. 6 and a 7. two missing numbers here in this big square for numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Yeah, two numbers again in this big square for numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Well, 7, 7. I need a 7 here. 7. 7. Need a 7 there. This should be the 7, okay. 3, 5, 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 in these two boxes, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the 5 and the 6 are left. Okay. So what are these two missing numbers in the second column? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. 5, 6, and the 8. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is my 3 number 8. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6. 5 and 6 cannot fill this yet. Here also 5 and 6. Here also 5 and 6. Then let me see. 5, 6, and 9 is missing here. Could be 9. Cannot be the 9. Could be 9. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That means these 2 missing numbers in this third row are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 here, yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 5 here. Need a 5. Well, no 5. It means here 5, there 5. Okay. Uh, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing here. Could be 7 here. Yeah, we need a 7 there. We need a 7 here, and we need a 7 there also. And one of the missing number. Need a 9 here. Yeah. We need a 9 in this big square. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 8. But the 1, 8, 4. Yeah. Come on, I need the 6s. Where are you, the 6s? 6, 5. 3 and a 7. We already have a 3 here. Overlook this 3. So we have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and a 6. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 and a 5. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 6 and a 5, need to wait. 6 and a 5, we have a 6 here, so this box should be 5. So the 7 and the 6 are missing here. 7 and a 6. Okay, here 6 and a 5, we have a 6 there, so this box should be a 5. Need a 6 here. 1 box left in this row for the other 1 and the 2. 3 is missing here. Yeah, the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, we have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 in this column, last column, 2 in that column. So the column 3 now only place level 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes in there. I marked those 2 boxes, elevator 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. We already have a 6 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 6 and a 7. We have a 6 here, so this box should be a 7 then. That box should be a 6. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for them. I believe the 7. Okay. 6 and a 5 are left here. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. And 1 box left in this big square for number 6. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes, minus 3 minutes. Well, talk too much in the beginning. 3 minutes. Well. Should be at 2 stars then. Yeah. Not the 3 stars, 2 stars. We solve it again, and I like this one here, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.